Hello? Oh, hi. My name is Isshell, and today we're gonna talk about something really basic but super important. Drawing boxes. Before we start, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and check out my other channel. It really helps me keep making stuff like this. So, boxes. Why boxes? Well, almost everything you'll ever draw can be broken down into simple forms, and the box is the most useful one.
So this is why I advocate drawing boxes.
Learning how to place a box in space is like learning the alphabet of drawing. If you can draw a box, you can draw almost everything: building, cars, furniture, even people if you break the body down into blocky shapes. Right now, I am practicing digitally with a screenless tablet, which is harder than I expected. Without a screen, you have to build a hand-to-eye connection. And boxes are perfect for this because they force you to think about perspective, vanishing points, and proportions.
Just my height
Meaning,
with the quest thing.
Step 1. Start with 1 point perspective. Pick a horizon line and put a vanishing point on it, and draw boxes shooting out from that point. It looks simple, but it teaches you how depth works.
That's 2 horsepower.
That's like that would
What?
Let me draw my squares in
I hope
peace.
it's just a screen. Oh my gosh, my
Are
hand
you
is
actually just
shaking.
drawing squares?
Yeah, it's good practice. I'm drawing them in an angle and stuff like that.
I'm just gonna place
Okay.
Yeah.
Move on to 2 points perspective. Now your boxes lean and rotate, converting into 2 vanishing points. This helps you get used to angles and more natural looking objects. Baymax, you basta. There you go. Look at that, so cutie. Now, try drawing from 3 points perspective. This will give you the top and bottom view of the box. Once you got boxes down, you can fit other shapes inside them: cylinder, circles, even spheres. Use the box as a container to keep your proportions right. The important thing is, don't worry if your boxes look messy at first. Mine definitely did. You'll make a lot of ugly ones before they start clicking, and that's fine. Each one teaches you how space works. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this mess, and remember, practice makes progress. Keep drawing those boxes. I'll see you later when I finally finish remaking my persona, which I haven't touched since the last post. Don't judge me, I'm busy. Doing nothing.